Welcome to another video tutorial of Xtreme Theme. In this video we'd like to present you some new features of Xtreme One version 1.3. We extended the widget functionality to accomplish complex tasks even faster. We will show this on a practical example. The slider shows up on every page, blog, category page and so on. Now we want to change the slider so that we will see on the home page the last forecast of all categories and on each category only the last forecast of the specific category. Therefore we are going in our backend area to the widget page now. First we clean up the widget page and display only the widgets we need, and we activate the new filter. We do that with our new widget manager in Xtreme One. We like to use the new widget filter and turn it on. Enable advanced widget filter capabilities. Here are all widgets listed which are included in the WordPress default installation. We deactivate all of them and we only activate the archive widget, the category widget and the text widget. Below are all widgets of the Xtreme One framework listed. We only need the Xtreme Post Carousel widget, also new in version 1.3, and the equal height post widget. Here are all widgets listed which are coming with other plugins, and here are all deprecated widgets listed which are not programmed according to the new WordPress widget API. We save the settings and now we see only the widgets which we activated. Now back to our actual tutorial. Here we have in our teaser the Xtreme Post Carousel widget with 4 posts of all categories. The other settings are not relevant for this tutorial. Because we enabled the widget filter, we have the new area Xtreme System extension. Here you see the filter. We want the widget just displayed on the home page. Therefore we switch off all archive pages, and on single pages we just leave front page enabled. We save the widget and check the settings in our front end. We see the slider on the start page as before, but not on any other pages. The slider is gone. This little icon shows you that there is a filter active. Now we want another slider with different settings with the category exotic cars. But we don't want to drag the widget again into the widget area and set up the slider from scratch with all its parameters. Therefore we have in Xtreme One the new option to duplicate widgets. Now we have an exact copy of this widget. We change the category to exotic cars. We turn off everything at single pages and we turn on the archive pages. Then we click on exceptions at category. Now it shows us all categories. We select exotic cars. Here you have the possibility to toggle between see all or just the selected categories. We hit apply to close the window. Our filter means on no categories except exotic cars. If categories are enabled, it would mean it will show on all categories except on exotic cars. We press the Save button and go to the front end. Now we have on the category page exotic cars only the 4 newest cars of this category. We duplicate the teaser widget again and change the category to race cars. Here we change the filter also to race cars and hit save and close. We can also use other widgets, for example the text widget. Let's insert some content here. And we like to show this text widget only on our blog page. We switch everything off except blog index and save. Let's check the result. We have on the start page the last post chronologically. Here the last post of the specific category. And now we have on our blog page a text widget. Such complex tasks can be realized in minutes with Xtreme One without writing a single line of code. Thanks for watching and enjoy Xtreme One.